What's good, guys? So I'm about to give you guys a trade breakdown on my three pairs for the new month. Not like a trade breakdown, or it's more like bias for the new month. What I'm expecting for the month of August. So let's head into it. So we're starting off with GBP USD. So on G, what can we see? Last 2 months, we closed below last 3 months candle, showing that we are bearish. Then this month, the month that just ended, how did it close? I will not call this a good break of structure, but it is a break of structure regardless. But it's not as clear as I want it to be. So what do you think we are expecting now? We have liquidity resting below here, and we have liquidity resting above here. So which do you think the market is going to take out first? I expect the market to take out the buy side liquidity first, because we closed bullish. So what do you think I'm expecting? I'm expecting the market to push down a little bit, so we should have temporal buys before we can get sells to take out this low. So that's what I'm expecting on GBP USD. So temporal buys before we can have before we can have the main sales. So buys first for sales. So this is more like buys here and sells. So what invalidates these buyers of mine is if the market just rallies down during the new month, as the market opens, rallies down to take out this on liquidity. That's what invalidates my whole buyers currently. Once it gets invalidated, I might either look for more setups that aligns with the weekly time frame, or I'll just leave the pair and face other pairs. But until then, I'm expecting this, then sells. So from here, from this inducement level here, from this inducement level, you have my PY. So this is what I'm expecting on this pair. A rally to buy side liquidity, then we have the main rally to the sell side liquidity. Let's go to the next pair, Euro USD. On E, what do you think I'm expecting? So E, the last 2 months candle closed below here, showing us that we are bearish. Then last month candle, the month that just closed, how did it close? Interesting. It closed inside, and whenever we have this kind of close or candle closure, what do you think the market is going to do after all? The market usually goes to take out the buy side liquidity first before taking out the sell side liquidity. So this pair is much clearer than GBP USD. So we have a clear fair value gap here. So we could expect So we could expect the market to pump to this zone to take out this. Then we have a clean sell, but temporal buys first before the sells. But it all depends on where the market goes first. If the market opens and just drops like this before, then we could take buys to take out this high, then look for sales. But if the market just pumps up like this, then we are still to wait for sales and already down to downside. But our direction is, I think it should be clear. You should understand what I'm saying. So the market should take out the high first, then come to take out the low. So let's go to the last pair on our watch list, which is BTC USD. So for BTC USD, let's move this. What do you think I'm doing for BTC? So we have a buy. So last month's candle, the month that just closed, we had a close below here. Sorry, I say close. We had a sweep of that low, and the market closing bullish, showing that we are bullish for the new month. This becomes our target. That becomes our target. So what do you think I'm expecting for the new month? We probably have the market selling like this, then taking out this high. But personally, I'm not very confident in the buys, because we are currently inside a large MEG. This is a large fair value gap there. So the buys are not as clear as I want them to be, but regardless of it, the market will first and push down before we can get any buy. So if I get a buy, this high becomes my TP1. So I stop looking for buys once the market has taken out that high. So once the market takes out this high, how do I get more buy setups? I wait for confirmation. So once the market takes out this high, the weekly time frame becomes my confirmation for more buys. But this high becomes my immediate TP. So I'm going to wait for the market to take out this high. So once the market keeps giving me a setup and take out this high, we might get the market pushing up again to take out this other high if this fair value gap is not valid, or if the market deems it valid, which we cannot tell until it happens. Then we might want to look for sales, probably still inside the month. But this high becomes our first TP or our main TP. So you just have that in mind. This CRT is as clear as it should be. So I think that should be that. We have market push down, pick this TP1 first, then probably ride to TP2. So that's that for BTC USD. If you have any pair you want me to look at or do a short video for you and drop it on the channel, you could as well put it on the comment section below. And if you want to get more 3 breakdowns for the month, for the week, for the day like this, do well to like, share and subscribe. Do well to subscribe, follow us on this journey, and I'm going to catch you guys at the next. It's your guy Henry. Peace out.